Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Duet dating app not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so fix number one is to close the app completely. So to do this, go ahead and swipe away your app and then reopen it. Fix number two is clear the app cache. So to do this, click and hold down the app, click onto I for app info. Then we want to navigate lower and click on storage and clear cache. Fix number three is go to your player app store and then search for Duet dating app. So just search for Duet, hit enter. Here it is here, the purple one. So if it says update, go ahead and update the app. Then from there, reopen Duet. Fix number four is to go ahead and reinstall the application. So click and hold down the app, click on uninstall, go to your player app store, re-download Duet, and then even restart your mobile device. Now, if all else fails, go ahead and contact their support. So just do a Google search for Duet contact details and just basically say, hey Duet support, my Duet app is not working, and then say the problem, say app crashes on launch or messages not sending, etc. And then basically give them your device, your app version, your exact time problem occurred if you can, and the steps you've tried, and also attach any screenshots or crash logs, and then obviously your account email or username, and then just say please advise next steps or help to fix this